The bullet-riddled body of a Trelawny man who was accused of murder but later released on bail was discovered in his community by residents early Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as Romario Green, also called Boa, of a Tarp Street address in Falmouth. Reports are that about 12:15 a.m., residents alerted the police to a body lying on the road in a section of Tilston. Upon their arrival, the police saw the body with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The motive for the killing has not yet been established. 2 police constables and several civilians are in custody in relation to the shooting death of a man at Mothers in Ochoa, St. Anne on Saturday. The deceased has not yet been identified. Observer Online was informed by a senior police officer that the constable were arrested as an investigation into the incident unfolds. Police report at about 2 a.m., the unidentified man was involved in an argument between a group of men in the restaurant, which then escalated into a brawl. During the altercation, the man was shot and wounded. The police were summoned and he was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A man who was implicated in the robbery and murder of a taxi operator on Nance Drive in Kingston on Tuesday, December 19, 2023 has been arrested and charged. Dead is Anthony Wilson, otherwise called Skipper or Skip, a taxi operator of Dew Road and Richmond Park in the parish. Charged is 21-year-old Kevin Brown, otherwise called Bams, Bam Bam or Bamati of Trinidad Road, Kingston. Brown is charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, robbery with aggravation, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. The St. Catherine North Police are investigating a break-in at the Jamaica Archives and Records Department of the Prime Minister in Spanish Town, which occurred sometime last weekend. Information reaching Observer Online is that employees turned up to work Monday morning to find that the office has been ransacked and a number of items are missing. Several computers and electronic items, including cellular phones and desk fans, were reportedly stolen. The water cooler was also reportedly taken. It appears that the thieves gained entrance to the building by prying off the grill and breaking a window on a section of a building.